Did you know? Playing video games can actually improve your life contrary to the popular belief of the opposite. So fire up your consoles and get ready to improve your skills. But before you grab your controllers and indulge in your favorite games, be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Now, video games have mostly been associated with negative impacts on players such as addiction, depression, time wasting, and aggression. However, according to recent studies, games can really be good for you when played in moderation, of course. Scientists have been able to identify many cognitive, emotional, as well as social benefits of playing video games. Let's take a closer look at some of these benefits of gaming. According to a 2013 study on longitudinal relationships between strategic video games, high school students who played strategic video games had better academic performance than those who did not play any games. Researchers found that strategic games allow players to explore all possible options and consider new strategies that enhance their problem-solving skills. Furthermore, some strategic games encourage players to gather information and think of an appropriate strategy before putting it to the test. This teaches the players to think critically and become better problem solvers. Playing first-person shooter video games can improve the player's vision by improving their ability to recognize different shades of gray. Professor Daphne Bavelier at the University of Rochester found that people who played these first-person shooter games improved about 58% in their ability to detect changes in shades of gray. This was previously considered to never improve without eye surgery or prescription glasses. She also found that this improvement lasted for months even after the gameplay had stopped, leading to the conclusion that first-person shooter games help in processing visual information more efficiently. According to a recent study conducted at the University of Toronto, people who played action video games such as Assassin's Creed or Call of Duty have better hand-eye coordination than those who do not play these games. The objective of this study was to determine whether playing these games has a long-term effect on sensory motor control. The findings of this study imply that gaming may become a way of treatment for those who struggle with sensory motor tasks in the future. Researchers at the University of Rochester found that playing action video games allow the players to have a heightened sensitivity to their surroundings, helping them to make decisions faster. This not only helps the players perform better at video games, but also extends to improvements in their daily activities such as reading, writing, driving, multitasking, and more. When action game players were compared to strategic game players, the result indicated a 25% faster response rate from the action game players. This makes action games a very good option if you want to improve your decision-making skills. A 2015 study on virtual environmental enrichment through video games at University of California analyzed 3 different groups, each with a different type of game. The first group played 3D games, the second group played 2D games, and the third group played no games at all. The experiment showed that the group who played 3D games were better at recalling their memory and perform memory-related tasks better than those who played 2D games or no games at all. This was due to the complex 3D environments in the game having a positive effect on the brain's neural connections, leading to improvements in memory. According to a 2005 study, Playing games allow people to work towards meaningful goals and learn to face challenges and failures before celebrating the rare moments of victory. This teaches players to be better motivated even when faced with failure. Of course, different types of games will have different impacts on players, but generally, some games can contribute to players' overall motivation levels. Gaming today is completely different than what it used to be when it was first introduced. Today, around 70% of people play video games with a friend and participate in large online gaming communities. This is where they learn social behaviors like leadership and other social values which can be very beneficial for their social lives. Playing games can simply improve the player's mood by promoting relaxation. According to Isabella Granick, a PhD from the Netherlands, video games can help build emotional resilience in people who play. This is because they are constantly facing failure and are learning to cope with it and move ahead. Furthermore, if gaming makes people happy and helps lessen anxiety, then it is definitely worth considering in Granick's point of view. And those were the benefits of gaming we thought were interesting. What other benefits come to mind when you think about video games? What are your favorite video games? Let us know in the comments down below. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if you like this video. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.